Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to log in to Claude AI step by step. If you've never done this before or just want a clear and simple guide to follow, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be fully set up and ready to start using Claude AI without any confusion. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you're comfortable using, whatever works best for you. Once your browser's open, go to the search bar at the top and type in Claude AI, then press Enter. You'll see a list of search results appear. From there, look for the official Claude AI website and click on it to continue. After the site loads, you'll land on the login page. Here, you'll have the option to either continue with Google or enter your email address manually. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. Next, enter your login details and confirm the sign-in process. Take a moment to carefully type in your email address and password, making sure there are no typos or missing characters. If you're signing in with Google, simply select your account and follow the prompts to continue. Double-checking your information at this stage is important, as even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in successfully. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and proceed to the next step. After logging in, if you're asked to select a plan, you can choose whichever option suits your needs, and if you're just getting started, the free plan is a great place to begin. If this is your first time using Claude AI, you'll be prompted to enter your name and select a few interests. This helps personalize your experience, so go ahead and choose the topics that best match what you want to use the platform for. Once that's done, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. From here, you can start exploring and using Claude AI right away. And that's it. You've successfully logged in and set up your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.